Hello students, in the previous video lecture we discussed about grammar for context-free language and we also discussed derivation as well as parse tree. And at the end we discussed about ambiguous grammar because such grammar gave two different parse tree or two different derivation. In this video lecture we are going to discuss the same called ambiguity, that is called ambiguous grammar. What is ambiguous grammar? For some CFG called context-free grammar, if it is possible to find a yield means result, with more than one or more parse tree or more than one derivation, maybe through LMD or through RMD, or through LMD only we can achieve two different parse tree, that is at any different directions. Such grammar is said to be ambiguous grammar. If the grammar has ambiguity, then what is the problem? It's very simple. Construction of compiler become difficult. So we have to rewrite the whole grammar to avoid such ambiguity. I'll just show how to calculate ambiguous with a problem. Check whether the given grammar, the grammar is mentioned here, is ambiguous for the string 3 into 2 plus 5. Now I will just start the same work using LMD. I started from the root E. I am just replacing with E star E. Ready. Now I am going to prefer LMD, so this E I want to change. So I will make it as a 3 because this side 5, so let us do it later. Make it as 3. First I, then I should make it as 3. Next I would like to go for this E. So our aim is 2 plus 5, so I will start with E plus E. Then LMD, this E I will replace by I later 2. Then this E I will replace by I later 5. Now the result is 3 into 2 plus 5. Now parse tree I am going to create. For the same yield I will prefer LMD only. Now have a look. E, instead of star I will make it as E plus E. LMD, so this E I would like to replace because plus is this side, star is this side. So I want to create a star. Replace by E star E. Since it is LMD, this E I later 3. Then this E I later 2. Then the last E I later 5. Now what is the yield? Same 3 into 2 plus 5. The yield is same. The grammar is same. But I am getting two different parse tree for the same LMD itself. Two different parse tree. Hence given context-free grammar is ambiguous. Let us see one more problem. Check whether context-free grammar is ambiguous derivation for the string AAB. In the previous problem, I discussed parse tree. I can also do derivation. Usually in the question they will mention through parse tree or through derivation. If they are not mentioning, you can use parse tree itself. Or you can use derivation as per our like. Sometime to increase the mark, they will ask using both tree and derivation, prove that it is ambiguous. Now the previous problem I did parse tree, now I am going to do derivation. AAB is the result. Let me start with S is nothing but AB. I am going to prefer RMD because previous problem was LMD. Just for giving some different ideas. This B I want to replace. So I don't have a option. This B only. Because our aim is AAB. Now I need two small letter A. I am having this A. I can replace this A by this A, but it gets stopped. So let me make it this AA. Then this A again I will replace by A. Completed. Now I got the result AAB through the derivation and I prefer RMD. I will start the same work. S is nothing but AAB. Instead of starting AB, using the same grammar, I will start with AAB. I can do because grammar is remains same. This B I will replace by small letter B, story over. Now you see, I have preferred a derivation. I have preferred RMD only. but I got two different derivations for the same result. So it is ambiguous in nature. So this is the overall idea about how to define ambiguous using derivation as well as parse tree. It is one of the simple topic. I would like to conclude this particular topic. Thank you.